Hey guys, how are you? How are you is a question, isn't it? So, on this second video, we're gonna work on questions, and if you missed part 1, just click on the tag here. Moving to the subject of this video, there is a formula that might help you to master questions with do, does, did, and will. Let's move to the board to see how it works. We have 4 columns here, okay, and an abbreviation, and this abbreviation, QUASI, means question word, auxiliary, subject, and infinitive. Infinitive is the verb without to. So questions in general, we use do, does, did, and will to ask, for example, whether someone works or not, whether she drives or not. So do you work? Okay, does she drive? Same past. Did they see? Will you go? But if you want to specify a question, you have to add a question word at the beginning, right? So you can say, you want to know where the people work. You ask, where do you work? Or the way she drives. How does she drive? Or what the person or the people saw. What did they see? And when is their departure, or when they're going to somewhere, right? So you say, when will you go? Guys, in your language, you might use different ways or swap the positions for question words, or you don't even have auxiliary in your language, but in English, you always have to follow this pattern. Again, question word, auxiliary, subject, and infinitive. With do, does, did, and will, it's always like this, okay? And I hope you have learned stuff and enjoyed this video. And if you did, just hit the like button, please. And thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just drop below this video here. And until next time, see you.